Hello, and this is another review from Michelle Reviewing Channel. But yes, that's not a review. From the review is from I got it from Walmart, and it's the Power Air Fryer as seen on TV. It's the one they showed on TV. They have this is the small air fryer. It's not that big, but it's bigger than the other ones. And they had an oven. But I'm not going to show you how to use it because I got this for my dad for his birthday. So I'm just going to open it up and just show you what's inside. But when I get mine, I will show you guys how it works and how the food tastes. So now we're just checking out the box. Just in case somebody wants to get one. If they're interested in buying one, you can get one from online. And you also, they have it on infomercial. You can check that out. You can get it from Walmart, Target, any stores. Probably Sears. Pretty much anywhere. I haven't tried it out, but I heard it is very good. And when you fry chicken, the chicken actually tastes better than you actually frying it. So this is how it looks. And it comes with a cookbook. So when I get mine, I will show you guys how everything works. But I'm just showing you the box for right now. Hopefully my dad will love this. He don't know I'm giving it to him. So he's going to be very shocked. They go to cookbook, includes recipe book. And this is 3.4 quarts. That's the top. That's the top of the box again. You turn around. This is how you open it. I don't want him to know I opened it. He'll be like, "Why you open my gift?" So hold on. It hurts. Oh, that hurts. Ooh. Oh, the season's inside. Oh, okay. Got the little papers. Quick start guide. So if anybody get one before I do my review, just make sure you wash it out before you use it, and you run it. You run it like you're cooking something, so you can get that new smell off of it, so it won't get on your food. That's what I heard. I'm not gonna open it because he probably gonna be like, "I could tell you open my gift. Who opened my gift?" And be like, "I don't know who opened your gift." It's a little small book. Good thing he know how to cook. Because if he didn't, he probably messed up. This is the steps. I'm gonna put everything back the right way, so he won't know I've been in it. But we can just check the inside. We can check the inside. Hopefully he won't know. That's how it looks. It's pretty big. Wow. It's pretty big. I like it. Definitely going to get me one, but I'm probably going to get the oven instead of this, because I like to cook, so that's nice. He's gonna love this. So I'm probably going to get the oven, or I may start off with this just to see how it goes, and then later on I may get the oven. Sorry about that. I had to put it in there. Okay. Now we gotta put everything right so he won't know I've been in there. Pretty sure let's go right there. But yeah, when I get mine, I will definitely do a review. Oh. That's right. Oh. And I close it back up. Like it's brand new. Like it never been open. That's good. But yep, this is the protection plan. Had to keep a receipt just in case something happened to it. You know, some manufacturing stuff like that. Just in case it came broke. Just in case I bought it broke and he got the receipt. So I leave it in there for him. Because you always got to get insurance when you buy stuff from anywhere. Just in case something happened. And it won't be a waste of money. You can actually go back and return it and get a new one for free. You don't have to spend extra money. So always remember to get some type of protection plan on anything. Like you get a phone, a tablet, anything. Something like the air fryer. Always get protection. It just cost me $6 more to get this protection, but it's worth it. So, yep, hope you like it. I'm gonna put this in the inside, so I won't forget it. I will be taking him this tomorrow after church, so of course he's gonna love it. Then I also, this is a side note, for people who love who like Chick-fil-A. If you go to Chick-fil-A, they will be giving a Chick-fil-A sandwich, the original or spicy, if you do the survey on the receipt. So it's just a little plug for Chick-fil-A, since I love it so much. So I will be doing the survey so I can get a free Chick-fil-A sandwich. Because Chick-fil-A is so the bomb. But that is the end of my video. And thank you guys for watching the air fryer review. And I will be doing a deeper review once I get my own. And then y'all will see how it works. So thank you. Thank you for watching. And have a great night.